Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here, coming up with some intraday trade for TCS on tomorrow. So, yesterday TCS made a move of more than 3.5%. It was a one-way move since the beginning of the day. It never halted. Only at the time of the market close around 12:55 to 1 o'clock, it went 2 o'clock, it went sideways. So it went sideways, and this actually what the candle has formed is a huge big candle. Let me shift the time frame to daily. You can see a huge big bull candle breaking above the all-time, breaking above the resistance and making a all-time high. So what should be your strategy? Actually, when we go to the 5 minutes chart, it is showing some sort of distribution in the price because nothing has been distributed between the retail traders, and it has gone in a small, very bull channel. No swings, no intraday dips. So there was no chance for the retailers to enter into this move. So it probably, the probable logic is it will give some discount to the people to come in. Where is the discount? And you can see this area. If you see, I'll zoom it out. Only in this area, you can see a range forming in this area. Range, and then that is the area between 3,398 to 3,409. So in this area, some sort of distribution and buyers have entered. That was the only area. So probably already distribution has started over here. Probably Tata Consultancy may go down to this area, correct to this area to the level of 3,412 to 3,409. Suppose if I take the point of control of this area, it comes around 3,404. And if I consider this area as a accumulation area, I'm going to mark the range high and range low, and let me zoom it out. Let me see where exactly the price has reacted. Yes, price has come down. It has come down, and there is a rejection bar over here. This is the candle. This is the 3,404 is the area, and this is the breakout candle with volume. So probably the high and low of this candle. What is the high and low of this candle? Low is 3,408 and high is 3,417. High and low 3,417 to 3,408. The middle point will come to 3,408 to 17, 25, middle point will come to 3,412. So probably it may test this area, test this zone. The target anticipation is, the correction of target anticipation is 3,411 to 3,408. So you can look for, probably it may open little bit higher because it is a discount. The people will not go for selling at the discount. So you look for this structure. Look for this structure. This is a for 3 soldiers you can see, 3 black crows you can see, and a range has been formed. This is the range high and this is the range low. Once this range low 3453 is broken, you can anticipate for the level of 3411 to 3408. That will be the target. Why? And this, you can expect a correction to this level and then buying will happen in this TCS. So after an impulse high move, it is impulse move up, then the next day will be the correction move, and we have to look for the area of accumulation. This is the area of accumulation where price has emerged. Price has moved up. There is no period of accumulation. See, here you can see a area of accumulation. Area of accumulation, trend, and it is the area of again an accumulation. The market has gone sideways and it has emerged. And the next day, probably TCS may come to this level and seek a value, and more buyers will enter into the area. People will be knowing there, and then people will enter into the area. Then reversal may take place. If it is a swift move down, then immediate reversal you can see. Otherwise, if it is a what they will do, they will spend the time the whole day. This is almost 1.5% move. The whole day, the price will move in a very narrow range. How it will move? Probably it may come down like this, retest, come down, retest, it may move like that. It may form a trend down there, creating an illusion that is a sell-off. So if you give importance to the move, what has happened, what is the behind it, price action behind it, you can make a wise decision. So I expect a reversal trade, and also this is a reversal, actually reversal, retracement trade. You can go for a retracement. That's what. Otherwise, if price starts moving above this is one way. If price starts moving above this, like this structure, if opens like this, opens at this level, also there is a resistance. If it opens around, what is the price? 3471, also that is a double top. 347, it may open at the 347 and it may create as if it is going up. If it tries to reject from there, that area, then also it's a rejection. Or otherwise, if it starts trading above the 3471 and if it starts moving up, it may go up to 3499 also. That's why be careful. Opening bell, price action, auction, how the auction takes place, you need to wait for a minimum 15 to 30 minutes to see the price action. Sometimes you will get immediate reaction, sometimes you may not get immediate reaction. Suppose if it gaps down, it may gap down also, gap also. They may trap also. This selling candle may get trapped and people, they may push the high prices, they may create an illusion over here. Oh, that's what, based on the accumulation and distribution, you can make a decision and before seeing for an accumulation and distribution, we have to see what has happened here. Here, this is an impulse move up. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope you understood what I'm discussing. It may help you to take wise decision on intraday.